Hey everyone, welcome to Magic Snowballs. My name is Miss Lorena, and today I'm going to show you how to make some snowballs indoors so you can have fun making a mess inside instead of being in the cold outdoors. So what you'll need is some baking soda, a little bit of water. I'm just going to show you how to make it, what parts to use. So I just have about a 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to use about a 1/2 cup of baking soda. And then you'll just keep mixing until you get the amount you want and until you get the consistency of it. And then at the end, I'll show you what else you'll need just to do a little fun experiment. So I'm going to put my baking soda. I am using just a little pan because I'm going to make a mess in here. My baking soda, and that's what I want. And then I am going to pour my water in. Show you. I'm just going to put a little bit right now. And then you want to put your sleeves up because you're going to mix this up with your hands. So get that water in there, mix it up just right. It's going to stick to your fingers, so it is going to get a little messy. But that's why I have the pan. So you do want to do this in a container that's big enough for you to play in. All right, so as you can see, I'm going to put this down. It is getting a little thicker, and it is sticking together, unlike the powder that you saw earlier. So now it kind of does look like snow, doesn't it? And it kind of just plops in. All right, so now to make your snowball, of course, you want to grab it and then mix it in your hands like so. And if you need a little more water, which I think I do, I'm going to put it back in and just pour a little water. So I didn't even need the whole 1/4 cup of water that I have. All right, so now that's a little better. So now it might stick a little better. And then there's your snowball. So you want it to be a little heavy, a little wet. But it's sticking together, nothing's falling. And you can hear it too. So with that, you can make more snowballs if you have more snow in here. Make a small one maybe. And if you want to make it feel like real snow, you can actually put these in the freezer. So if you want to make a snowball and put them in the freezer, you can put it in there for about an hour or two, I'd say. Let it freeze up like a real snowball, and then you could still also play with them after they freeze. So now, and your hands might get a little messy like mine, I'm going to show you a fun little experiment. And what I'm going to do first, though, is I'm going to cut down my snowball here and make a little one. I'm going to make a baby snowball because for this next little experiment, you're going to want to use some vinegar. So I have vinegar here, and I do have a jar to put it in. I'm just going to pour the bottom of it just a little bit. And I have that. I do have food coloring, so it's up to you. If you want to use food coloring, you can. I'm going to just add a drop or two. There we go. and kind of swirl it around. Now you can see how much I have in there. And I'm going to take my small snowball. You can use more if you'd like. It will make a mess, so I might put this in my tray here, set it down, and then you just want to put your snowball in there and see. If you can hear it, you can see the bubbles. So the baking soda and the vinegar are reacting together. So if you have more containers, you can do more fun experiments with different colors, put all your snow in there. If you do fill it up with more vinegar and you put like a whole snowball in there, it probably will come up out of the container. So you want to be careful, and you want to make sure you're in an area where you can make a mess and put something down maybe. So I hope you have a fun time with this inside. Since there is no snow outside yet, you can do this in your home. And I hope you have fun, and we'll see you again soon.